VPN under Windows. And I'm going to just show you what that looks like. I have only Windows 7. Many of you probably have Windows 10, and so there'll be some differences, but hopefully the process is still fairly similar. So the easiest way to find the VPN software to download is to go to your search bar and enter the following: site:/wisc.edu and then VPN. Hit return, I immediately get as a first link WiscVPN, a virtual private network for UW-Madison. If I click on that, we see a button, download WiscVPN, and I'm clicking on that, and that takes me to a menu of different choices here. And what we want for the present case is for Windows, and so we're going to go under Install and Connect for Windows, which is right here, the upper left corner. And most people want a 64-bit client, and so look at the second entry under Download the Client and click on that. And we'll click on Save File, and sure enough, we see up here that it's about a third of the way through, and it will be done fairly quickly. And there we go. So it's downloaded, and we can click on the little icon there to show the downloaded software. Double click on that and say OK to install. And so we'll say yes, we want to run it, and click on Run. And we go through the usual installation process for a Windows software package. Clicking on Next, accepting the default on the location, and then Next to install. And we want to say yes to the question of whether we want to allow the program to install the software. And it's been installed, so we can close that little window. At this point, it's now present on our computer. So it looks like if I go to the main programs icon right here, that a window is opened on the right, and it wants me to enter my portal address. And here we enter uw-madison.vpn.wisc.edu, and then type connect. Now it wants your net ID. For me, that's GW Petty, and it wants your password, which I will enter here, and then click sign in, and it shows now that we're connected. So we're now accessing the university network through the VPN, which gives us access to web sites and software on campus that are not available to the outside world. You have to be logged into the VPN to reach that. And of course, you can disconnect manually if you want to. What I found is that at least on my Mac, Global Connect disconnects by itself periodically, and you have to double check to reconnect in order to stay connected for the purposes of working with Jupyter Hub or what have you. But normally I just leave that connected until it disconnects itself, and then I reconnect when I need it. So at that point, you should be connected, and you should then be able to access Jupyter Hub the way I'll describe next.